Once upon a time, there is a leader who is handing out forks, spoons, and knives and plates to a group of campers. The first camper asks,
"May I have a fork, please?"
The leader replies,
Yes, you may.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome.
The camper asks,
Why, this is a mighty clean fork. How did you get such a fork so clean?
The chief replies,
River water.
The second camper asks,
May I have a spoon, please? Why, yes, you may, my dear. You're such a great camper. Thank you.
Then the camper asks,
Why, how'd you get it so clean? River water. We're camping, right?
The third camper asks,
Might you happenstance to have a knife?
the leader replies,
Is this one fine enough for you, sir?
My! This is so clean. How did you happen to get it so clean?
River water does it every time.
The last camper, he asks,
Can I get a plate?
Well, surprisingly, I have just one left that's clean.
The camper asks,
This is ridiculously clean. How did you do it?
Everybody knows, river water.
Oh, dear.
Can I get a
My.
knife?
The leader says,
But I don't have any more clean. Wait one moment.